Around the corner, other side of the building. The guy popping out. See him?
Bad spot. Go.
On three. Go! Fuck! You're good. Does it just get that one guy? We gotta keep this guy here. Is there any way you guys can get around that side, or the other side of the building?
No, they're just like all open.
There's no doors? Let me go in there.
Right where AJ is, go check it out.
Take my spot by Jordan.
Yep.
I'm Jake.
Hold this down, boys.
Where's the contact?
Go upstairs. You got a good gun?
Yeah.
You know the doorway right here on the far left in that
Yeah.
building? Right below it, there's an opening. It's a broken part of the building. He's right there.
Okay. Hold on. Chris told me there's a guy in the cabin. I don't know, he said the cabin that's partially destroyed.
Hey, bottom floor, left, around the fireplace, look when I saw something.
Where?
That left window
Okay.
in the bottom floor, so hold the speaker head out.
Alright. They seem to like that building a lot.
It's probably really easy to find out. Is this building security or security?
Yeah. Yeah, we got Jordan and Drew in perimeter.
Alright.
That'd be fucking sweet. Don't want to start fires though. I feel like this shit would catch easily.
I'm like a Nerf rocket.
Oh. Well, I meant like a firework one, like a replica. I hope the audio is picking up well. The waterproof casing, there's not.
Usually it's muffled, but it usually picks up decently. I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to hear me right now, but it should be able to hear you. Oh, Jordan's down.
And Kyle. Or no, that's not Kyle, that's an enemy.
Yeah, we got two enemy down. Second floor.
Second floor?
Second floor, left one down. Changing bags.
Copy. There's a big old branch blocking me. See if I can. Who's down there? Just him? Alright. I can't see shit in that window, it's all black. Oh, I see movement in there. Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, he's got two guns. What the hell? Fire a couple of rounds in that window. rocks and shit everywhere. Hands are going numb. I feel like if we really wanted to, we could go out this way, but
How far off the ground are we?
like 7-8 feet. But there's a little ramp with a bunch of debris right here. Well, I don't know how secure it is. Well, yeah, I'm just saying, if we absolutely... Alright, let's go. Fuck, I love this building.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
It's a different part of it.
Yo, we're leaving. Yep. What's that corner? Where do we go? We're going in this way? I got you covered. Watch out.
AJ,
Give me a boost.
Thunderbee.
You got Thunderbees?
Strap your nuts.
Oh my god! You got me!
Yeah, please put up.
Oh, that hurt my arm. Sorry.
Cover neck. Cover neck. Grady, get on that far wall. Where is he? Somewhere in the white building. I don't like this big dip right here.
What big dip? Oh, that big dip.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Jay, peek in that window. See what just see if you can get pressure.
Just kick it.
Jay, be careful here, right? He's in the top window, I think, of the white building.
Shit! Contact down the stairs! Contact down the stairs! Oh, how did I not get hit?
I think I got him. I got hit in the arm. Who got him?
I don't know.
Thunderbee! We need a Thunderbee!
He's coming up.
Where's Chris?
Are they down there?
Okay.
Are there more down there?
We don't know, that's why we want a Thunderbee.
There's a big confusion.
No, we have to wait for... Save the Thunderbee for that building.
No, we can storm that building by ourselves. We need a Thunderbee to see if we can go down there or not. Look, that guy could have been down there for a long time. You guys,
We got it.
I did one guy. You got it?
I'm out there.
We need to clear there. We need to clear that out.
I got shot! Where the guy was down there.
Chris, me and you go.
We're in the center group. We're getting the Thunderbee ready.
I say save it for the white building.
That's why we're getting ready now.
Better hurry, battery is probably almost dead. Yeah.
Keep an eye right on that the whole time. You don't want someone to surprise you and get you out. I can watch this way. We're going to be heading downstairs as well.
Where's Connor? I want to go down there. I don't feel safe with being not cleared. Yeah, be careful with those. Those things can misfire.
Suicide bomber? Yeah,
Clear it out.
If Chris dies, we all rush down there and get him, alright?
Guys, watch for fire in there. Keep your heads down if you guys get fired. Keep moving, keep moving. Yep. Yeah.